guys are not fortunate enough to come to Tokyo Auto Salon and check out this Civic Type R GT, we'll walk around real quick to show you guys the details on this thing. So crazy, dude. I think this is a current race car, but it could be a prototype. Look at the headlights. Carbon too. That's so sick. Look at the quick release for the front end. Wow, dude. Vented fenders. And the whole wheel is vented in the back right here. AP Racing brakes. Wow. Kevlar under there. You see the Kevlar stuff. Look at all the aero on the side. There. There. It's so intricate, dude. What's in here? Just like the abyss. Everything's carbon fiber. And if you guys can notice, look how far back you sit. The driver is literally like back here. Cool steering wheel, kind of looks like the one I just bought for the NSX. This mirror looks absolutely insane, dude. It's like a giant version of the Evasive Motorsports one. Big fat carbon blocks, look like they're an inch big. Wow, dude. So insane. HRC. Swan neck wing. What's under here? More tunneling. This is a view that most people don't look at or see. What's under here? It's like a flat bottom. What is that? Maybe like a jack? Lifeline rain light. This is the same one that I use for the Integra. Rear view camera. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but the back window is pretty much covered. Dude modeling in front. Adjustable end plates. See that? Nice, dude. What's this hole for? Random vent hole. Exhaust is on this side. Whoa, that's so crazy. Look at that. That's intricate as hell. Vents. Oh, this is a current car. I mean, or a test car at least, because there's marks right here from the exhaust. Oh, I didn't notice, but there's a cable right there holding down the side skirt or the side plate. So awesome. Look at all the electronics in there. Probably more electronics in this thing than a space shuttle. Let's pull back a little bit so you guys can see the whole car. So cool, dude. So cool. I want to see this thing rip. Just like, I think these are basically like DTM race cars. They look exactly the same. I don't follow the sport, unfortunately, but they look the same.